no stopping.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. One of your goals. All right. Oh, simple but works.
Simple but works, yeah. So I got a 118 Crossfire XS V2 on a Terra Amp Smart 3, 4/8 on a 1000 watt amp, stock alternator, 3 AGM batteries. Pretty simple. I do a 150.1 on the meter at 42 hertz.
That's really good.
Yeah.
What is it wired to?
It's wired to 1 ohm.
Okay. Quad triple stack. Nice.
Yeah.
Who built this?
My buddy Sammy right there.
He did. Sammy. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You've done some videos on his truck as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's that sub rated at power wise?
If I'm not mistaken, it's 4,000 RMS, 8,000 max.
Okay.
Like I said, I had an 8K on it and it took a crap.
So it used to be louder.
It used to be a lot louder.
Okay. So your stock alternator?
Stock alternator.
Okay.
Yeah.
But did you do the big 3 yet?
Nope. No big 3. I got 2 runs of 0 gauge to the back, and then the way I got the batteries right now, they kind of bridge together one after another.
Okay.
It's 335 amp hour AGM. It helped a little bit.
Yeah.
Gonna go lithium. Gonna go a high output alternator. So
yep.
Little by little.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Robbing, pussy, popping, ain't no stopping. DJ, watch the
Nice to meet you, where you been? I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven sent. Saw you there and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Once again, wanna play. Money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Money, rumors, pride. I know you heard about me, so let's be friends. I'm trying to see how this one ends. Grab your passport in my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. It's gonna be forever. It's gonna go down. Tell me when it's over. That was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers. They'll tell you all I was saying. 'Cause they call love the players. And you love and I'll write your name. Cherry lips, crystal skies. I could show you incredible things. Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby, I'm your queen. Find out what you want. Be that girl for a month. The worst is yet to come. Oh no. Screaming, crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, oh my God, who is she? I get drunk on jealousy, but you come back each time you leave. 'Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. It's gonna be forever. It's over. Starbucks lovers, they'll tell you all I've been saying. 'Cause
Dude, not bad for what it is.
Single sub.
No
Yep.
wall. You know, under 3K. I'm clamping
Yeah.
right now. I'm clamping 2490.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I did a 150.1 at
Wow.
42 hertz.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate the demo, man.
I appreciate
Yes,
you
sir.
coming out, man.
Is there a way I can see the back real quick?
Yeah.
I gotta see how the port
Absolutely.
looks.
It's huge.
It is? Oh, man.
Got first place at Usaki in Gainesville
Nice.
a month ago.
You got LEDs in here. At
Yeah.
night, it
Yeah.
sparks up.
Yep. Getting ready to do rock lights and stuff like that as well. Kind of glow up the whole truck.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man. That's
Yeah, I appreciate you. coming
really
out,
impressive
man.
for 118.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate that.
That face, you look like my next mistake. Makes a game wanna play. No money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny? Rumors fly. And I know you heard about me. So hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends. Grab your passport in my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever. Or it's gonna go down. Tell me when it's over. If the high was worth the pain. Got lonely Starbucks lovers. They'll tell you I love the players. Reckless. Starbucks lovers. Got a blank space, babe. And I'll write your name. Cherry lips, crystal skies. I could show you incredible things. Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby, I'm your queen. Find out what you want. Be that girl for a month. When the worst is yet to come. Oh no. Crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. Garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, who is she? I get drunk on jealousy, but you come back each time you leave. 'Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. Starbucks lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players. And you reckless. write your name. Lips, crystal skies. I could show you incredible things. Kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby. I'm your queen. Find out what you want. Be that girl for a month. The worst is yet to come. Oh no. Like a daydream.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.